How to change caption language in YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to change caption language on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch YouTube application on your device and head to the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the gear icon at upper right corner of your screen and you simply need to scroll down. Navigate to Video and Audio Preferences section and tap on Captions option. A new window will appear where you can easily see caption preferences. Make sure you have turned on the button for caption preferences so that only you'll be able to change the language on captions of YouTube. So here you need to tap on language and here you can easily see all the languages available. You can tap the particular language in which you feel convenient for the caption. For me, it's English, so I've chosen English United Kingdom. You can come back, you can change the text size and as well as the caption style as well. And at the top, you can easily see the preview. Once done, you can easily come back and then change caption language. So in this way, you can successfully change caption language on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.